In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind? Well, this is one of the popular questions that are now floating the internet. When you type on Google, you will find dozens of legitimate and illegitimate ways of earning money. Well, it seems exciting to note that there are hundreds of ways to earn money and become wealthy in short period. However, it is not easy to become rich. It needs a lot of patience, dedication, and commitment to achieve the goal. Many people don't believe that there are some quickest way to become wealthy. The reason behind this is the increasing number of scams, crimes, and corruptions. Today, I will guide you through the best and quickest way to become wealthy. You need to choose the right path and set yourself on that path for some time to become wealthy. Becoming wealthy is all about earning and investing wisely. You need not to skip your daily life to get rich. You should spend less than what you earn by changing your lifestyle. If you are too serious about getting rich, you should focus more on increasing your income. Here are a few ways that will give you millionaire status in short period. Remember that short period does not mean a few days or weeks. It can be a few months or even years. However, these ways will surely take less time than other ways to make you rich. Way number 1, start a business. Setting up a new business is no doubt the best way to make huge wealth. However, you should be able to choose a right business. There are no limits on who can become a great businessman. You neither have to make huge investment to start a business nor need special qualification. All you need is a desire to earn huge income and a strong business plan to drive it. There is no standard startup fee to start a business, as the budget varies from business to business. Before you start business, it is important to find alternative ways to fund your business. Well, there are a few businesses that do not need much investment. You can start online business with almost no investment. However, as your business grows, you need to invest on equipment, office space, operating expenses, legal fees, employees, etc. Some of the popular business ideas are job consultancy, fashion business, apparel business, app development, agency, etc. You can even start a service-based business agency that offer writing service, micro work, pet service, wedding planning, childcare, personal trainer, etc. All these service-oriented business don't need much investment, and you can make a huge profit from these business. If you are good at selling products, you can start an apparel or accessories business. There are many e-commerce hotels that are buying products at reasonable prices and selling them for huge profit. Way number 2, make a viral video on YouTube. Many people are not aware of the fact that they can make money by uploading viral videos. When technology is advancing at a fast rate that people are highly depending on the internet, whether it is buying products, services, or searching for information, they are using internet as the primary medium. There is a great craze for viral videos that entertain people of different age groups. Everyone is looking to earn money from online videos. There are thousands of people who make their living by creating viral videos. If you want to make more money, you should make quality and informative videos that people watch again and again. Now you might be thinking, how can one earn by making viral videos? Videos with more likes and shares can generate more income. You can monetize the videos with AdSense program, which places ads within your videos. Whenever someone watches a video, you will get commission from AdSense. There are a number of factors that decide the revenue you can generate from your videos. As the views ticked higher, YouTube tallies the totals and deposit the amount directly to your bank account. Quality video ads can generate a decent amount of money. A lot of people do not believe that they can earn money from videos. However, thousands of vloggers out there who earn thousands of dollars every month. Keep in mind that the videos must not violate the guidelines of YouTube. If your videos look attractive, it gets attention of many commercial companies who will offer a good amount to use your videos. Merchandising is another best way to make money from viral videos. For example, if you made a video on women's accessories, you can turn your product into a brand. A single piece of content can make millions of dollars. Want to check? Start with a 15-second video today. Way number 3, improve your skills. The first and foremost step to become wealthy is to improve your skills. There are a number of high-paying jobs that help you become rich in less time. A lot of people are satisfied with the job they are doing and never think of improving their skills. We are so occupied with our daily goals that we hardly get time to think about self-improvement. Successful people always invest time and money for self-improvement, whether it is passion or career. You should always go to the next level. It is always a best option to help yourself rather than helping others to achieve goals. The best investment you can make is to invest in yourself. There are a number of training programs that help you double your salary. You can even improve your skills to make extra income. For example, if you are good at writing, you can be a freelance writer. There are many companies that pay high for writing articles, blogs, and other posts. If you have good command over any particular language, you can start taking online tutoring classes for those who want to learn a new language. The fees of online tutors can vary from $20 to $70 per hour. Depending on the language you teach, you need not to spend much time to take these classes. You can make $100 to $150 per day by teaching for 2 to 3 hours. This way, you can generate extra income by using your skill. Pick up a skill that is of your interest, such as painting, drawing, singing, dancing, etc. You will be paid a good amount to teach people. You can earn up to 30,000 to 40,000 Indian rupees per month from the additional skills you have. Way number 4, make money online. Making money online is an awesome thought. There are many proven methods that work like a magic charm and help you earn huge income. Many people are making their living by earning online jobs. Some people even leave their full-time job to earn money online. There are different ways to earn money, some of which are as below: digital marketing, affiliate marketing, buying and selling domains, advertising, blogging. Way number 5, invest in stock market. If you have some money and want to grow it by investing, then stock market is the best option. The best thing about stock market investment is that you need not to work too much on it. However, you need to be well familiar with the market and economic status of the country. You should be good at financial data to invest in stock market. Investing in stocks can give huge ROI in less time. At the same time, your investment can go for a toss and you may lose the entire invested amount. Though you cannot become rich overnight by investing in stock market, you can get the returns within a few months. Within an average gain of 7% to 15%, you can expect the investment to double in 5 years. You don't need to invest a huge amount in stocks, as there is no limitation. Here are a few tips that help you invest wisely in stocks, marketing, and get huge returns. Don't blindly follow others, as it is not a good practice. If everybody is investing in particular stock, you should not do the same. The key to success in stock market is to backfire in long run. If you don't want to lose your hard-earned money on stock, invest wisely. Invest in the business you know about. There are different domains such as banking, oil and petroleum, medical, agriculture, technology, corporates, commercial, etc. There are stocks. It is advised to buy stock in the domain you are familiar with. You should know about the company in details before investing. Follow a systematic approach to invest in stock market. Don't be emotional while choosing the company. A lot of people make the mistake of choosing reputed and large company over small companies. Remember that greed is the worst emotion that can kill your thoughts, as a result of which you may buy and sell shares at rock bottom prices. Having realistic expectations will help you stay focused. You should always expect the same kind of returns from stock market. Way number 6, invest in real estate. Real estate investment has attracted many people in the recent years. The reason behind this is the economic condition of the country that has been improving year by year. Real estate is one of the basic asset classes that every investor is considering seriously adding his her portfolio for several benefits they get. If you want to make money by investing in real estate, you should consider real estate appreciation, cash flow income, real estate income. To earn from real estate market, you should buy a property in a decent locality, hold the property for a period of 3 to 6 months and sell it for a profit. This technique is called flipping or properties. And there are many investors who've succeeded in making huge profit. You need not to invest in making any house improvement if you want to earn profits without taking pain. Investors can make a decent amount of money by buying reasonably priced properties and renovating them to add value. You can either make it a long-term investment or short-term investment depending on your best goals. There are many creative ways to become wealthy in less time. These ways will help you become wealthy quickly. However, you should be committed towards your goals while investing some time and money. If you are using any other methods to make more money quickly, share your experience by commenting box.